It's Wednesday, October 6th, 1:16 p.m. CDT, and I'm going to try to do another light leak test on the Lunt to see if I do have any light leaks that could be causing issues with using the flat cap that I got from Daystar. As you can see right now, we do have some clouds drifting through. I've zoomed into that one sunspot cluster, but I'm going to pause the recording for now and wait for clearing. As a point of reference, right now I have the B34 blocking filter installed in the scope. I have a 1.5 inch long, 2-inch diameter extension tube, and then I have the camera with T-mount to 2-inch nose piece inserted into the extension tube. Also, I have gamma set to 1.0 because I was cautioned that I needed to do that to maintain linearity. So as you can see, gamma is at 1.0. Just waiting for the skies to clear. Still waiting for the clouds to clear. There are two layers of clouds, one moving from left to right, and another moving from right to left. Let's go to 3 milliseconds. See, there's the ones moving from right to left. I'm at 2.5 milliseconds. There it is. Okay. Let me see where the histogram is. See, again, you can see the clouds, some moving left to right, others moving right to left. Pause again. Okay, I think I have a clearing coming. Right now I'm at 2.5 millisecond exposure. A bird just flew through the field of view. I still have some thin clouds drifting. But let me go cap to the scope and see what happens. Okay, now I have the scope totally capped. I'm going to increase the exposure to 5 seconds. Now I'm at 5 seconds. And from what I see, the image stayed perfectly black. So I have my head under a black cloth right now looking at the screen. So let me uncap the scope. I'm going to pause the recordings for a second. Okay, I removed the cap on the objective. Let me go to, it's 2.4 seconds, and that is the live view. Now I'm going to put on the flat cap. Let me pause it for a second. Okay, the flat cap is installed. I increased the exposure from 2.4 milliseconds let me go to 240 milliseconds. 2.4. There's 240 milliseconds. the view is still totally whited out. So even at 100 times, I still get a white appearance, and everything is eliminated. The interference eliminator is removed from the scope. The only thing in there is the camera. So let me go back to 2.4 milliseconds, black, remove the flat cap. And that is with the flat cap removed. So as you can see, something is going on with this scope that's causing me not to be able to go to 100 times the exposure. I'm going to save this video and send it to Fred at Daystar.